Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a modern clickable digital business card using Canva. Perfect for sharing on WhatsApp, email or social media. Let's get started. What is a digital business card? A digital business card is a shareable image or PDF that includes your contact info, links and brand. It's like your traditional business card but smarter and clickable. Example like that. So head over to canva.com and log into your account. In the search bar, type business card, hit enter. Now you will see tons of templates. Choose a modern, simple design that fits your brand, like that, and click customize. Once your template loads, click on the text boxes to customize, like name. Enter your name here. Just click and type your name. Then your company name, like digital marketer or creative IT. Then edit your phone number. Just click and enter your phone number. You can attach your website using a link and email address and your location. You can change the font size and alignment to make it match. Click on that and click font style, then choose from here one. Now let's make it personal. Just click on uploads, upload your own image or logo and just drag and drop your image like that. You can adjust the image size, even crop it into a circle or a clean look. Here's the cool part. You can make your email phone links clickable, highlight the text, click the link icon, add your email, telephone number, and website link. This works great if you are sharing as a PDF. Keep it simple, clean, and mobile friendly. Use high contrast text for visibility. You make sure your fonts are readable on phones. Stick to 1 to 2 brand colors. You can change the background color. Just click the background and choose color from here like that. You are good to go. Once you are happy with the design, click share and click download, then choose PNG or PDF print for clickable links. Or if you want a card from scratch, just go to your Canva dashboard, create a design, then search for business card, select the size and choose a shape from elements tab like that and drag it here and resize the shape and choose the color of this shape like that. Again, choose a shape, then create duplicate, change the color from here, adjust the color based on your template color, then again select the shape like that and resize and click color and click white, or select any other shape like that and drag it here, click duplicate, again duplicate, and you'll add text like your name and choose the font size or font style like new, like that, and drag it here. Go to elements tab again, location icon, add a location, then mobile website icon, like that, then phone number, phone icon, and that's it. Now adjust your own. Once you are happy with your custom design, click share again and click download and choose the file type and click again download. And that's how you create a digital business card in Canva. It's easy, fast, and super shareable. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on animated cards or QR codes next. Thanks for watching.